Menu Rahmah has expanded to Sabah and Sarawak. According to Bernama report, although the Menu Rahmah program has not yet been expanded to Sabah, a restaurant operator at Plaza Tanjung Aru here took the initiative to offer the dish to his customers starting today, Friday the 3rd of February 2023. Musli Oli, who runs Restore and Pack Moose, said the menu was offered from 10:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. God willing, my restaurant will serve the Menu Rahmah every day to all the customers who come here, he told Bernama here today. He said the nutritious and balanced menu offered to customers at the price of 5 ringgit is rice, fish, chicken or fish, vegetables and syrup. According to him, the initiative is to respond to the government's call to help reduce the cost of living for the people, especially in this state. Yesterday, the Vice President of Party Warisan, Datuk Juns Wong, praised the Menu Rahmah initiative by the federal government and urged the state government led by Gabungan Rakyat Sabah, GRS, to extend the initiative to Sabah. Last Tuesday, the Ministry of Domestic Trade and Cost of Living, KPDN, launched the Menu Rahmah, which offers lunch or dinner at 5 ringgit per plate at 15,000 food outlets nationwide. Meanwhile, a customer, Ramli Halim, 50, said that the Menu Rahmah meal initiative not only helps the target group, but also all walks of life. He said the average expenditure for a meal a day is now around 50 ringgit per person, and that amount is quite large for those who have many family members. So, this Menu Rahmah is really good, because it not only helps the poor, but all the workers who of course want cheap and economical prices, he said, who is self-employed. Civil servant, Santi Ahmed, 42, hopes that other restaurants in every district in the state will also provide the Menu Rahmah, so that the government's efforts can be enjoyed by all levels of society. Hypermarket chain Maidan intends to expand the Menu Rahmah program to all its branches nationwide, says Managing Director Amir Ali Maidan. He said even though the cost of raw materials in Sabah and Sarawak is higher than in the peninsula, the company will offer cheap food to its customers all over the country. In Maidan Sandakan, the price for 1 kilogram of chicken is 12 ringgit compared with 9 ringgit 40 cents in the peninsula. However, we promise to offer Menu Rahmah in Sandakan and 2 other branches in Kuching today or tomorrow, so the people of Sabah and Sarawak can also enjoy the food priced at 4 ringgit 90 cents, he told Bernama Radio. Meanwhile, a check in Dong Gonggon's popular Mama restaurants shows no sign yet of the implementation of the Menu Rahmah program. Many Penampang folks are eagerly awaiting the program to be carried out soon.